What's up guys, back at it again. Yesterday I wanted to install the radiator, which is right over there, and I ran out of hardware, so I basically stocked up on all the hardware. This should be enough to finish the car, hopefully. If not, we'll get whatever. So I restocked that. I restocked the fridge because it's pretty hot outside, and yeah, so plan for today: get the radiator, got a little shroud for 2 electric fans, which are those 2 guys there. So basically put this back in the car and go from there, see what else we can find. Anyways, that's the plan, let's do it.
When it hits you, yes, yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, yes, you holler, yes. 1, 2, 3, do it.
Okay, so fans are mounted on the shroud. They fit pretty well. I mean, as they should. I got all the hardware in. So now I got to take this whole assembly and throw it onto the radiator. And then once that's done, throw the radiator with this guy onto the car. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so this is where we're at with the radiator and fans. They're in, they fit. It is a super tight fit. Everything clears, but it's like it's there. So with my setup, I think this is as big as I can go. It's a Champion radiator. I do know Champion makes a slightly, I think it's like a ½ inch bigger, for better cooling. But if I would have got that one, I don't think it would have fit. I think this one's maxed out, so I'm pretty happy. Everything fits. It's nice and sturdy. Couple things I have to mount. This is the overflow tank. It does not fit, as you can see here. These guys don't line up. As you can see, that hole there and that right there, we're supposed to grab on with this guy, so they're at a different level. So I'm gonna have to remake one of these brackets here. I'm out of metal, so I gotta go to Home Depot and pick some up. Figure something out. But anyways, I gotta make one of those. That's pretty easy. Right now, other things I wanna line up is the water outlets. This water outlet, this little thermostat housing. I'm gonna just mock them up because I can't find the gasket. So I'm gonna just mock them up so I can figure out the whole, how many clamps, how many hoses, and all the hose wiring, the hose routing and whatnot, so I can figure that out and then go from there. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I got that stuff installed. Water outlet over here. I still gotta buy a thermostat, so that's why I just hand tighten everything. But I think the stock hose that has an S turn here will fit. Just boop boop. 2 clamps and I'm good there. Over here, this guy, I need the hose that comes in and whatever to that. So that's that. On the heater hose side, this one to here. These 2 hoses go into the cabin. Then this outlet, I was looking into it. It basically goes around the engine into the, when I had it sealed, I guess there was a coolant line in it, through the SU's intake and then back into believe here. So I'm curious as to if I should make some sort of pipe that goes from here under the carburetors back on that side and connect it to that. See if something like that would work, or if I could just plug that there and put a cap on that side. I don't know if there's anything bad if I did that. I don't know, I'll see. I still gotta figure that out. But for now, I know I need to purchase thermostat, top, bottom hose, a couple regular radiator hose from here, heater hose, and then the appropriate clamps for everything. So yeah, now that I have this, now I know what kind of clearance this guy has with this, so I can route this one straight that way in and around to the compressor, so I can start finalizing some of this stuff here. So, but yeah, it's coming along, everything's looking good. I think I'm gonna call it for today. I gotta go buy some metal to make the brackets for the overflow tank. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.